Welcome to this new chapter of the course on free online tools to increase your productivity. In this short chapter, we will show you a fantastic tool for hosting and sharing files in the cloud. Gofile. Free, unlimited, and secure file sharing. Gofile, a free file sharing and storage platform, offers unlimited storage and sharing capabilities. Whether you need to manage your files, send them to friends, or distribute content to a large audience, Gofile has got you covered. Lightning fast transfers. Experience lightning-fast file transfers and unlimited download speeds thanks to Gofile's high-end servers and high-bandwidth network. Top-notch security. Your files and data are protected with state-of-the-art encryption technology. Gofile ensures the privacy of its users through TLS 1.2+, SHA-256, and RSA 4096 encryption. Best practices in data protection are followed to maintain security. Privacy is a priority. Gofile values user privacy and does not store or sell personal data. Instant start. No registration is required to begin using Gofile. However, if you prefer efficient organization, you can log in with your email address. Unrestricted freedom. Unlike other sharing platforms, Gofile imposes no limits on storage or file size. You can upload and share as much as you want without any restrictions. Advanced management features. Gofile offers a range of powerful management options, including a file manager, multi-accounts, direct links, descriptions, passwords, expiration dates, and tags. Easily organize and share your files. Currently in development. Gofile is in the beta version as it continues to evolve. If you have any questions or suggestions for new features, feel free to contact them through the designated page. Upgrade for more. While Gofile is mostly free and suitable for most users, you can unlock additional features and benefits by upgrading to a premium account. Join Gofile today and enjoy the freedom, security, and convenience of unlimited file sharing and storage. You can use Gofile at gofile.io. In the upcoming chapter, we will explore a fantastic tool for creating personalized WhatsApp stickers from images, GIFs, or videos. Utilizing custom stickers on your business WhatsApp account can be a unique and delightful feature that your customers will adore. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss the next chapter. With your help, we can make this course keep growing.